What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. One of my biggest pet peeves about buying brand new vehicles is that unless you buy a top of the line trim like a Denali, a High Country, a Platinum, a Limited, you don't get any LED lights. It's straight up 2020, like 2018 Chevy Silverado LT, so it's not the lowest like a custom. It's one up from like the lowest trim level I guess you could get. The whole interior is LED lights, which is awesome, but the exterior has nothing, no LED lights whatsoever. Now I will give them some kind of credit because they do put HID projectors in the headlights, but nothing else is LED. And it's like, come on, man, my Buick sitting somewhere over here, my 2001 Buick, I mean, it don't have LED lights either, but I don't expect it to, because it's an old car. Today's day and age, 2020, 2018 when I bought this, come on, give me some LED lights. And then I have a friend with a 2019 Ram 3500 dually Cummins. It's a tradesman, so it is base model, so it doesn't have LED lights, but it does have LED tail lights. So like, you went as far enough to put LED tail lights in, but what's up with the rest? And even my side-by-side, 2020 Polaris Razor S1000, I have LED taillights but no LED headlights. So always looking for bigger, better, and brighter lights, obviously, and quality ones as well. Like when I was younger, driving a couple $1,000 cars, just like the Buick over here, I would buy cheap Chinese LED lights off of like Amazon or eBay, whatever worked basically. But you spend 50, $40, $50, $60,000 on a truck nowadays, you want them to have quality stuff. And so being somewhat of an influencer, I do get companies that reach out to me all the time to give me products. Now I had tons of Chinese and other kind of foreign, makes, manufacturers, if you will, offer me LED headlights, and I shy no to all of them. But there is one company that, if you follow along with the channel, you know who I work with already. But there is one company who I did accept LED lights from, and this entire truck has their LED lights, Lasfit LED. And if you're interested, I do have a discount code for Lasfit to get yourself some. I don't know it off the top of my head, so I will flash it on the screen right now a couple times. And I'll also link it down in the description below. The best things about Lasfit is they are in the United States. They're based out of California. Super nice people to work with. Like I said, I literally have every single light that they make on this truck, and it's still kind of daylight right now, so I'll show you what the lights look like at nighttime. But just in general, I'm kind of here to say, buy quality lights, please. It'll save yourself a lot of hassle, headaches in the future. Now, I started off with just their like license plate lights or license plate LEDs, and then just kind of moved on from there, kept getting bigger and better things, to like the most recent ones being like the front fog lights and the headlights. Honestly, I'm here to tell you, really quality lights. I like them. I'm not paid at all by them. I have a discount code with them, but I'm not paid with them, for them, from them, whatever. They don't pay me to say any of this, is what I'm trying to say. Just kind of come to you. So I've had this truck for a little over 2 years, like 30,000 miles ish, and I've been putting their lights on ever since. So I've had some of their first lights about 2 years ago, about probably, I don't know, 28, 29,000 miles ago, and I'm here to say that they are quality. I haven't had any issues with them. Every single light that I've gotten from them has been plug and play, which has been super nice. I don't know why I'm out of breath, but basically, it's cold. But basically, I just wanted to come out and say I work with Lasfit, obviously, and let you guys know there is a quality LED company that you can work with for getting LED lights on your vehicle. And I'm going to let the sun die down a little bit. We're going to go for a drive. I'll do a nice walk around of all the lights here at nighttime, and I'll see you in a minute. My phone for this segment, just because the iPhone actually does a little bit better in low light scenarios than my DSLR. But the biggest thing you notice, look how bright these like turn signal flashers are. They light up the world. We'll go for a drive here in a second, but like I was saying, everything on this truck's Lasfit LED. So I don't blind my neighbors so they don't get all curious. Third brake light, well, the cargo light, what I meant. Cargo light, everything back here. Actually, to be honest, I never actually put the bulbs in for the tail lights. I still have them in my garage. Obviously, yeah, third brake light, cargo light type deal. And license plate lights. Reverse lights are super bright too. Shot of the reverse lights right here. Boy, they's bright. That's high beams. Turn signal on, we'll get rolling. Like, it's not crazy dark out yet. It's still only like 6:30, but low beams, high beam. So this part, they put LEDs in the interior that comes like that. I don't know why they don't do the outsides. Crazy. Then the only other thing you could hear, I don't know if you could hear on the iPhone, the fan. There is a fan that run behind these. Obviously all plug and play to keep these lights cool. You could probably hear it. I don't know if you can or not, but we'll find out. Sorry, last shot, I swear. This is probably the best representation because it's pitch black out. I mean, these are the low beams, not the high beams, but see, they're damn bright. Back here, nothing special, since I don't actually have the tail lights in. But you can see the plate light's pretty bright. Look at those blinkers. I'm telling you, they light up the world. And just like that, guys, that's all I got for you. I turned the camera around, but it's kind of getting dark now. I can't really see me. It's literally all I got. I just wanted to kind of talk about the Lasfit LEDs I got on the truck. Tell you guys about them a little bit, how I like them, whatnot. I like them a lot. I'll probably be getting them for the next truck as well. Once again, I'll put the discount link right here on the screen and also in the description below. Get yourself some lights for Christmas, for whatever. Get them as a gift. They're pretty awesome. Also helps me, so appreciate that. And I'll see y'all guys next week. Peace.